Welcome to Michelle and Wayne Reid's 1967 Buick Skylark. I know I've said this many times before, but Buicks are certainly one of the classiest cars around in my opinion. Wayne and Michelle's stunning Skylark here represents the Buick build well. The Skylark was heralded as Buick's luxury model from early on its production, hence giving the name after a songbird. These Generation 1 models packed a full list of options and a beautifully upholstered interior for the discerning buyer. The extra detailing around the body with the side flutes behind the front wheels and the stainless wheel arch trims leading straight into the side protection strips picks it up with its own piece of class. The pillarless doors giving an unobstructed view of the interior with both front and back windows down, yet still retaining its quarter vents up front for the driver and passenger comfort. Back in the original 340 cubic inch V8 engine and 350 trans, the stance was all Wayne wanted to sort straight away with us. The name Jalopy representing the life of this ride for a few years before the real tinkering began. Since then, a stunning white interior has been installed to bring the class back into the old Songbird, with polarised window tints, and to not only look after the interior, but to make it a pleasure to cruise in on the hot summer days. The interior detailing in these Buicks in the 60s is just too cool to mess with, so a JVC head unit is slotted into the glove box to provide the sounds of cruising, but leaving the factory stereo to still sit proud just like the old days. This really is a classy looking car with its sharp, definite but sleek lines, the exterior detailing with the stainless trims tying it in nicely with extra stainless trims along the interior door cards. They definitely would have been a standout car back in the 60s, just as they are now.